Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota Grand Highlander. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip left mount number 805968. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here. Now you will want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, you always want to make sure you install the vehicle mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two separate spots. One is this black piece of plastic that's behind the silver piece right here. Basically, the tape is going to sit on top of that and stick. The second is up here between this soft piece of the dash and the inner hard plastic of the vent. There's a seam right between the two. So the first thing we're going to do, basically you're going to want to line up the edge of this tape kind of with the back of the silver trim here. So you just kind of want to get it like that, and you'll be rotating it up until the top lip hits here. Now you are going to have to hold it in place as we do this. So now you want to get your fingers up on top, and we're going to be pressing down and with our thumbs forward until this lip goes into that seam we mentioned. There we go. Now it's in. We have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.